Okay. Hello everyone. This is the birthday celebrant.
Mama.
Ano yun, live?
Mama.
I don't have net now. This is the Kuya Lino, Ate Jo, the birthday celebrant, the husband, the food,
Mas lalong sa makan mo.
and this is the event. The event here is here. You see? Say hi, say hi. Oh, okay. Maganda ang venue natin, guys. Kaso, ayaw ako maligo. Ayaw ako maligo dahil hindi ko type eh. Ayan eh. Hindi ko type dahil galing akong work. Hindi pa ako natutulog eh. Ayan eh. Sarap maligo. Minsan na ako makapag kasama family. Kami lang, yung tao. Mamaya dadami to. Swimming pool lang. Swimming ako mamaya. Kuya, mag-swimming tayo. Masarap po. Talagay mo. Makapaligo nga.